welcome. In today's video I'm going to share with you how you can connect your Squarespace account to your Google Analytics, or rather vice versa of what I just said, your Google Analytics to your Squarespace account. It's really simple, just takes a few steps, but it's really important because you want to understand who's coming on your website, how they're interacting, what pages they're connecting with, where they're dropping off. At the end of the day, once you know better, you'll do better. So it's really important that you have this element as part of your overall website strategy. It seems really basic, but it's really important to be monitoring your website traffic, especially if you want more of it. So that's what we're going to do today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chloe. I'm your digital marketing sidekick, here to help you publish, teach, and sell online. So if that's something that you're into, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon, ding, 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 so that you can be notified next time I post a video. So the first thing we're going to do is sign into Google Analytics. If you already have an account, this is pretty straightforward. If not, I'm going to show you how to set one up. So just go to Google Analytics. Now, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. We're just going to click this button here that says sign up. Now put in all of your information. Now go ahead and scroll down to where you see Get Tracking ID. You will have to sign up to Google's terms of service. It will go by your region or wherever you're located. Now by default, your tracking ID should appear right up here, the first screen that you see. However, if you already have a Google Analytics account, or you get lost somewhere and don't know where to find it, you just go to admin and then tracking info and then tracking code. And what we need to keep a hold of here is this tracking ID. This is very important. So copy this, and then what we're going to do is we're going to log into the back end of your Squarespace account. What we want to do is go to settings, and then we go to advanced, and then external API keys. Now I already have my Google Analytics account set up here, so I have my tracking ID in, but if you didn't, you would just copy and paste your ID in here, and then that's it saved. Your account is now linked to Google Analytics. You just have to go back. There's not a save button. It will take 2 to 3 days sometimes just for your traffic to start showing up, but after that, you're good to go. I hope you found today's video valuable. If you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment below. I would love to have a conversation with you. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to hit subscribe and click the little bell icon so you can be notified next time you post a video. Also, just a side note, because I always notice, like, when I do the recording for this, I'm always like, but the reason is because I have this little thing that I click to record, because I just record on my iPhone, and I do this, click. So if I always look really awkward when I come back into frame, that will be why. Anyways, have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you soon with another video.